How to change Uber country. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Uber country. So, without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up your Uber app. You can use the website too. After you do that, just let it load, and after it does, tap on account on the bottom right. After you tap on it, you will see the help section on the top. Tap on help. After you do that, you will see the account section. Tap on account. Now here what you can do is you can scroll down and you will see I need to contact support. Tap on it. After you do so, just type in your account's name and your phone number, and then what you'll need to do is type in your problem here. Now here what you'll need to do is you'll need to type in I would like to change my location, country. Can you help with that? Now all you gotta do is submit this and wait for their response, and they'll guide you through the country changing process. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take